Welcome to Michaels and Howard. Both of these residence halls are actually identical to each other with shared bathrooms, free laundry, and space outside to park your bike. They have both single room options and double room options, so let's go check it out. Welcome to Michaels Hall. In Michaels, there are 8 suites that house up to 9 students. It's the same over in Howard, and currently we are in Suite E, and we're gonna go check out room 5. Welcome to Michaels Hall. This is gonna look the exact same as Howard Hall again, as they are identical. So the room will look just the same. This is a double, which is gonna be the most common room. You're gonna have 2 twin XL beds with storage underneath with drawers, 2 desks, 1 for each student, and wardrobe, again, 1 for each student. Welcome to the Michaels and Howard bathroom. Again, these are 2 different buildings, but they are pretty much identical. There's a bathroom in each suite block, so 4 upstairs and 4 downstairs. And they're gonna have a mix of sinks, showers, and stalls. Both Michaels and Howard have a laundry room, and laundry facilities are free to use on campus. Before you go, here's a couple quick things to know about all of Menlo College's residence halls. Each hall is supervised by a team of professional residential life staff and student RAs who are here to support you, whether it's about housing needs, your academics, personal growth, or just navigating campus life in general. RAs are also on call after hours for anything from helping with roommate conflicts to checking in on student well-being. And to keep everyone safe, RAs do routine health and safety checks throughout the year. Just to recap, every room comes with furniture including a twin XL bed, desk, chair, and dresser or wardrobe for each student. You'll need to bring your own bedding, and we recommend extras like a lamp, alarm clock, and trash can. You're also more than welcome and encouraged to decorate and bring things like a mini fridge, microwave, and TV. Just be sure to follow our approved appliance list for safety. Talking about roommates, room assignments for new students will go out prior to move-in, and you'll get all the details in your email or through your My Menlo account. Thank you so much for coming along this tour with me. Please like and comment below, and if you want to see any more videos about residence hall tours, campus tours, or just more about Menlo, be sure to subscribe and follow us. Bye!